Guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been an incredibly long time since I last filmed a video. The last time I filmed, it was almost 3 months ago, which is absolutely insane, and it is kind of funny because it was also totally unintentional. So today's video is going to be more relaxed and laid back, and I'm just going to be giving you the lowdown on everything that's been going on, why I've been so MIA, and also some new adventures that I am on as well. So also towards the end of this video, if you stick around, I will be taking you throughout my home and showing you some new pieces that I have incorporated into my home that are thrifted. Some I found at yard sales and whatnot, because it's not a simplistic home video unless I show you number one, decor, and number two, thrifted items. So you guys know that that's what I love to do. I love thrifting. I love decorating my home. So it has to be incorporated some way, somehow. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. So the main reason I initially was MIA was because my husband actually surprised me with a new iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys are new here, I do film all of my videos on my iPhone, and so he was so sweet and upgraded my phone to the new iPhone 12, and apparently it is not totally compatible with iMovie, and that is what I edit my videos on my Mac. So anyway, there was kind of a runaround with that. I'm currently filming on my phone now, so everything has been settled and worked out, I do believe. So anyway, that was the main thing. And then also I purchased a Canon M50 from my brother. So my brother is a photographer and he was selling his Canon, and I've been wanting a camera for quite a while now, and he was giving it basically away. It was at a very discounted price. So we ended up purchasing that from him, but I still need to buy a new lens. So that was kind of a thing as well. And then life in general, you know, you guys know I have two little ones. Things get busy, and it's almost like once you get out of being consistent with filming, things just get in the way, you don't make time for it, whatnot, so on and so forth. Anyway, and then the most exciting thing that has happened. So you guys know, again, that I am big into thrifting. I love it so much. And most of the time when I share my thrift with me videos, I take you guys to my favorite local thrift and antique shop, and I put my name on a waiting list there to actually have my very own booth. And to my surprise, I was asked if I wanted a booth there way quicker than it was anticipated. So I now have a booth up there, and it's been so fun. That started May 1st, actually. I found out about it April 1st. So the whole month of April was basically crunch time to get all of that figured out, how I wanted to decorate it, gather a ton of pieces, because if I'm being honest, I didn't have a ton at the beginning, because I was expecting it to be months and months down the road, because I know that their waiting list is pretty lengthy. But anyway, here I am. I'm super excited with this. It has worked out so well so far. This is week 3, I guess, and I'm just really enjoying it. So anyway, I can film a video of me taking you guys there, and we can just check it out and see how it looks. That way you guys know what's going on. But that's all that has been happening around here. Very crazy, very busy, all good things, but with the technical stuff, I am not good at that at all. I obviously film for YouTube and I share on Instagram and whatnot, but that's about all I know how to do. So all the phone stuff, all the camera stuff was totally new to me, and I'm just very unfamiliar with it. So anyway, like I said, I'm back. Hopefully this can be a very consistent channel again, because from the first of the year, I was extremely consistent. I was loving it, and then there was some hiccups. So anyway, that's what's been going on, if you've even noticed that I have been MIA at all. But if you are new here and this is your first time watching this video or watching my channel in general, I hope you consider subscribing today. I share a lot of sustainable and affordable living tips and tricks with home decorating. We also have a garden. You guys don't know about that right now because we just put it all together, I guess about a month ago. We had a garden last year, but I didn't film any of that. So anyway, that is incorporated, and just a lot of things along those lines. So if all of that sounds good to you, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing to my channel for more. And also be sure to check out my Instagram, because I do share a lot of thrift hauls over there, more day in the lifestyle type things, and it's just a lot of fun. So I'll leave my handle linked here. It's just at The Simplistic Home. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this thrift haul. I'm going to take you around my home, also show you some projects that we have been kind of in the middle of doing. They're literally in the middle of being finished, so they're not done by any means, but I'll just give you the lowdown on what's been going on with that, what the vision is for it, and so on and so forth. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm currently in our kitchen, as you guys can tell. So I want to show you this corner in our kitchen that used to be a coffee nook. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but it used to have like a console table there, and then we obviously had the coffee pot, which is back here now, and whatnot. But I had been wanting, not a hutch, but just like a cupboard, and I wanted to keep all of my coffee supplies, coffee mugs, whatnot in there, because eventually we're going to be taking these cabinets down and putting floating shelves up there and kind of redoing our kitchen. It'll be a while before we get to that. But anyway, I've been wanting a cupboard for this corner. That way, whenever we do remove the cabinets, we can have more stuff over there that is coffee related, because we don't have a ton of stuff in general. But anyway, long story short, my husband was looking on Facebook Marketplace and found this beautiful, it's actually a bookshelf, but I'm using it like a cupboard. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. How pretty is this? So it is wood, as you can tell. It has this beautiful designs on the inside of the doors. And then there are 3 drawers, so all of these open up, and then this part actually opens as well, like folds down into a desk. So like I said, this is actually a bookshelf, but I'm using it as a cupboard. So I currently have coffee mugs in here, and then all of my canisters up there like I had originally on the console table. So that is what is going on right now. And then I found this, I don't remember if you guys remember this, oh my gosh, why can't I talk? I don't know if you guys remember this pour over coffee system or not, but I found this on clearance about a month ago at Target, and I got it for $5. So I haven't used it yet. Clearly it still has the tags on it, but I was really excited when I found that. So there is the cupboard. Okay, so I forgot to mention, whenever he found it on Facebook Marketplace, it was originally for $150, I believe, but we ended up getting it for $125, which I think it's beautiful. I think it's a great price for it, and it fits in this corner so well. So I want to update the calendar back there. I'd like to get one that's kind of like the chalkboard style with like the wooden frame. I think that'll look a lot better. So anyway, that's one of the pieces. Also, if you hear the boys in the background, they are currently playing. Another piece I recently got from a friend. It is a bar cart. So again, with the awkward corners in our house, I've just been trying to find the right pieces to fill it for the right price. So I'm going to show you this bar cart real quick. Okay, so the bar cart. Also disregard the living room. It is a mess. I got this bar cart for $10, and she said she originally got it at Home Goods. It's really cute, but I want to get some shelves right here so that way we can put wine glasses and just different kind of things. I have some inspiration that I found on Pinterest that I really like. So anyway, this is what this looks like, but for $10, I think it's really pretty, and it serves this corner well, and I'll be able to decorate all that, like I said, with shelving. I might put a picture over here or something. We'll see how it goes. So there's that one. And then you guys already know about the thrifted chair that I found like the first of the year. Okay, so also all of this stuff back here that you guys can probably see, that is all for my booth that I mentioned earlier in the beginning of this video. So I have been going thrifting, yard sales. I've been checking Facebook Marketplace like regularly for items. I'll do a separate video on all of my ideas and thoughts on all of that, because otherwise this will be a very lengthy video. But anyway, a lot of great things over there. I will show you one thing that I found real quick. So I did find these 2 pieces at yard sales this weekend that I'm actually keeping. So I have this tinted green vase, and I'll show you what I did with the other one that I have in my living room currently. I have a light blue version that I'm using right now for spring and summer, and I want to use this one for winter. And then I found this log holder, and we're going to be making a faux fireplace in our living room. And anyway, that's going to go next to that. But I got this one for $1 and this one for $2, which is crazy. Okay, so now moving into the living room, that is a complete mess. I have 2 things in here I want to show you. So actually back here, all of this stuff, we're going to be moving that, making a faux fireplace. We're either going to put it there, or we're going to put it on this wall over there that I'm getting ready to show you that piece. anyway, so that's one of the projects we are literally in the middle of doing. As you can tell, it's nowhere near finished. But I'm gonna flip you around again and show you this other piece I got. Okay, so this is a wooden coat rack that I found at a yard sale again this past weekend. I got it for 10 bucks. It's wooden, it has like distressed legs, and I love this wood tone. I think this darker wood looks really good in our house and it flows with everything well. So I got this, and it has, the hooks on it actually has 4, I guess would be brass hooks. You can tell it's really worn and old, but the guy that we got this from actually said that it had a little bit of a backstory and is originally, I guess it was from the Illinois State Police Department. So anyway, it's in my house now and I got it for $10, so really good find. Okay, so before I show you the next piece, that's the blue vase that I was telling you about, that I have the matching one to the green one that I just bought at the yard sale. So using this blue for spring, and I just made a little arrangement. All of these came from Walmart, the picks did. So the magnolia, I think, were like maybe $2.50 or $3 a piece, and then this big cherry blossom branch was like $5. So anyway, that's how I have it styled for spring. I didn't do a spring home tour like I was intentionally planning to do, but there you go. There's a little bit of what I did. Okay, so one more piece to show you. You just kind of got a little bit of a sneak peek of it, but it is a dresser. So I have been wanting to find like an old wooden dresser for over a year now, and I really like that. Kind of like a colonial style home. It's very warm and inviting, but I still really like the earthiness. We love our blue cabinets. I love houseplants and all of that. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. I found it for $5 at a yard sale again this past weekend, and I think I'm gonna keep it as is. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so here it is. It is definitely not staying here. I just haven't had a chance to move it yet. It is on wheels, but they're really worn out. Like, they're kind of flat on the bottom. But this thing was $5. I think it's so pretty. Again, love this wood tone in our house. We're going to be ordering some new chairs soon, so this will be gone. And we have a Papasan chair that's going to be gone as well. But anyway, all these drawers open really smoothly. I haven't had a chance to like clean it out yet, but again, like I said, it's really old. But $5, I knew that I could definitely do something with it, and it's like the perfect style of what I've been looking for a long time. So another great find. Okay, so those are all of the recent yard sale and thrift finds, and then I have, I guess, one other area in my home that I will show you that we have been working on. We are going to be taking our washer and dryer out of our laundry closet and making that closet into a pantry, and then taking the washer and dryer and putting it into our guest bathroom back here. So I've only filmed in there maybe a couple of times, but it's a really large guest bathroom. But our thought process behind it is we want to make it into like a laundry slash mud room. There is a shower in there, sink, toilet, all of that. So it's a full-blown bathroom, but we took the tub out, and we're gonna place the washer and dryer there, add cabinets, countertops, all of that jazz. So that way, whenever John comes through the back door after working and whatnot and just needs to shower real quick and has a ton of dirty clothes, he can just throw them in the wash, take a shower in the same room, kind of have it all done at the same time. So anyway, I'm gonna show you this real quick. It is a complete disaster, so no judgment. It's nowhere near finished. We actually are in the process of doing the electrical work. That's like the next step. Jack's being crazy in the background playing. But anyway, let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so like I said, it's a complete mess right now, but this was a tub, I don't know if you guys remember that or not, and I am going to be putting, both of us are going to be putting the washer and dryer here, counter space, cabinets up here. I'm going to be repainting, obviously, changing out the vanity, extending countertop here, adding laundry baskets under there. And then we talked about removing the mirror altogether and putting a window there for more natural light. So that's another project we're in the middle of doing. I've been sharing that on Instagram. So again, if you don't follow me over there, I highly recommend it. A lot more day in the life things, but I will try to film a video of this a little later on. All right, you guys, so bear it is with me now, but that is going to be all for today's video. Like I said, I just wanted to share basically updates, what's been going on, why I've been MIA, and also incorporate some thrifting and show you guys what we've incorporated into our home recently. That's new. So if you guys enjoy home decor, thrifting, DIYs, all of those good things, be sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you're excited to see more from me. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.